In this video, we're covering DIY concrete firebull, cheap and easy. First, DIY concrete firebull, cheap and easy. Use 2 plastic bowls, one large, one small. Lubricate them. Fill gap with high-strength mortar. Moving to DIY concrete firebull, cheap and easy. Simple guide. Making a concrete firebull is simple and affordable. Use 2 plastic bowls, one large, one small. Lubricate them, then fill the gap between them with high-strength mortar. This creates a simple, effective firebull form. Regarding step-by-step process, prepare bowls, clean bowls thoroughly. Also, lubricate, apply release agent to both bowls. Consolidate, tap or vibrate to remove air. On why high-strength mortar is needed. Moving to tips for success. Use release agent, essential for easy removal. Also, ensure gap, make sure gap is even all around. Support small bowl, keep small bowl centered while filling. Finally, cure completely, allow full cure before removing forms. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.